Welcome to Autocad tutorial. Now we will learn the options. Options in Autocad are used to set up the windows and some of our preferences. It is opened by the command OP. This dialog box will display options for display, file, open and save, plot and publish, system, user preferences, drafting, 3D modeling, selection and profile. Here, if we talk about files, these are several files which are useful for Autocad and its settings. In display, we can set the color scheme which can be dark or light. We can display the scroll bars. In drawing window, if we select, if we don't select it, it will not display it. Same with the screen menu. If we select, it will be displayed, otherwise it will be not. If we want to get tooltips, it will display it. When we move our cursor over buttons on the ribbon, menu browser, toolbar or on dialog boxes. Show shortcut keys in tooltips will also display shortcut keys with Alt, Ctrl, Shift plus that keys combination. Here we can set colors to show the rollover tooltips, where we can set several colors if we need. Here there is display resolution. 1000 will display the arc and circle smoothness. A higher number produces smoother objects, but more time is required to regenerate it. So we will keep it 1000. 8 is the number of segments in a polyline curve and 0.5 is the rendered object smoothness. We can set our crosshair size from 1 to 100. We'll keep it 20 now. Let us go to the next step, that is open and save. Here we will save our files at .dwg, but we can set its default version from here. Whichever version we will select, that file will be saved in that version. Then we'll go to plot and publish. Here we can set the type of plotting and publishing for our document and drawings. We can set our default location for plotting to file operations. Here it is D drive images, but we can set as per our requirement by clicking on this button. User preferences will display some of the user preferences. Generally it contains units and it displays some background of fields. Drafting will display the aperture size and its auto snap marker size. We can set its default color from here. Then there is selection, in which we can set the peak box size, we can set the grip size and can set its color and some visual effect settings too. Once we will click on apply, since we have changed the aperture size, we can see it over here. As it was in the full screen, now it is just being displayed in 20. We can set the drawing area's background color from OP2. First go to display, then in colors, and then there is uniform background set over here. We can change it to white or any other color we want. We'll keep it black. And then after changing, click on apply and close. And then click on OK. Here we have learned how to change the options of Autocad's standard settings. We'll learn some more useful commands in our next tutorial. Thank you.